Primer.
Already almost done.
Right to the next.
Is it gonna go far? That's not limit. And another rifle down below. That's showing as well with a fumble and Koopa.
Oh no. Once again, the gold here for the taking. Wild to join the fight. Jordan don't even have the deadliest catch yet. So imagine when these ultimates are online. Here comes the next rifle. Turret's gonna be worked on a little bit longer. Crystal on the backside is he gonna engage, but now the tier 2. 3 minutes in. What world are we in where tier 2 is getting hammered down? Look at G-Man and Shark just trying to get this base tier turret 4 minutes in. There's no way they get this. Arrival fails again. G-Man gonna be taken out. Still working on the turret. With the deadliest catch. She's just trying to push it in here in the bottom. Are they going for the record?